Construction technology has reached a completely new level, transforming the way the world is built. What once relied heavily on manual labor and long timelines is now driven by precision engineering, smart systems, and advanced materials. Modern construction methods use modular designs, prefabricated components, and high-performance composites to speed up building processes while improving strength and sustainability. Entire structures can now be assembled faster, safer, and with far less waste than traditional techniques. Digital planning, automation, and innovative formwork systems are reshaping construction into a more controlled and efficient industry. This evolution is not just about building faster, it's about building smarter. Today's construction technologies are redefining what is possible, creating a future where infrastructure is more adaptable, durable, and environmentally conscious than ever before. Rotho Blaas roofing systems. Rotho Blaas roofing systems represent a refined approach to modern construction technology, combining advanced fastening solutions, breathable membranes, and waterproofing layers into a cohesive system. Designed primarily for timber and hybrid structures, these systems use high-grade steel and stainless steel fasteners with engineered threading and sealing components to ensure structural stability and watertight performance. Features like EPDM gaskets, self-locking nuts, and vapor-permeable membranes enhance durability while preventing moisture buildup and corrosion. Overall, it delivers reliable performance, sustainability, and long-term protection. Lammi Kuorikivi. Lammi Kuorikivi is a thoughtfully engineered construction technology that elevates modern block building with its hybrid concrete insulation design. Developed through years of testing, it features a 25mm patterned outer concrete shell that acts as a durable plaster base, paired with a 200mm load-bearing inner core and graphite EPS insulation for strong thermal performance. Its specs highlight excellent fire resistance, sound insulation, and impact durability, while allowing immediate plastering after casting for faster workflows. In practice, it feels like a reliable, high-performance solution that balances structural strength with efficiency and long-term resilience. Broad Homes Global. Broad Homes Global stands out as a forward-thinking name in construction technology, specializing in large-scale prefabricated and modular building systems. Their approach revolves around factory-produced precast concrete components, integrated with a full-process digital information system that streamlines design, manufacturing, and on-site assembly. Broad Homes Global delivers high structural precision, reduced construction time, and improved quality control. Key features include scalable modular units, intelligent building integration, and strong sustainability focus with low waste output. In real-world use, it feels like a smart, efficient solution, driving faster, greener, and more industrialized construction. Soloform. Soloform is a practical and well-engineered solution in modern construction technology, particularly for civil and environmental projects. Its core system revolves around pre-filled concrete and soil bagwork designed for easy hand placement in challenging conditions like riverbanks and erosion zones. With specs including high-strength 32N concrete mixes, biodegradable liners, and geotextile-based MSE bags, it delivers both durability and environmental sensitivity. Key features such as no need for heavy machinery, adaptable installation, and carbon-conscious materials make it highly efficient. In real-world use, it feels like a smart, reliable system built for both performance and sustainability. Durisol Woodcrete. Durisol Woodcrete is a well-balanced innovation in construction technology, offering a smart alternative to traditional masonry through its insulated concrete form system. Made from recycled wood fibers bonded with Portland cement, it creates lightweight yet highly durable blocks that are porous, non-rotting, and resistant to pests and fire. Its interlocking modular units are dry stacked and filled with reinforced concrete, delivering strong structural integrity with thermal performance reaching up to R28+. Overall, it feels like a sustainable, efficient solution that blends strength, insulation, and eco-conscious design seamlessly. Containex. Containex delivers a highly practical and scalable approach to modern construction technology, focusing on modular container-based building systems. Designed with robust steel frames and interchangeable wall panels, its units offer excellent durability, thermal insulation, and sound performance for both temporary and permanent use. Standard modules typically measure around 6 meters by 2.4 meters, with options for multi-story configurations and fire-rated structures. Features like flat pack transport, rapid assembly, and flexible layouts make it incredibly efficient. In real-world use, it feels like a smart, adaptable solution that prioritizes speed, versatility, and long-term functionality. Doka concrete formwork. Doka concrete formwork is a benchmark in modern construction technology, offering highly engineered systems for shaping reinforced concrete with precision and efficiency. Its solutions range from wall and slab formwork to climbing and monolithic systems, built using steel, aluminum, and composite components for durability and repeated use. Key specs include modular panels, high load-bearing capacity, and integrated safety systems, along with smart features like sensor-based concrete monitoring and crane-independent climbing setups. In real-world use, it feels like a reliable, high-performance system that accelerates construction while ensuring consistent structural quality. Rotho Blaas timber construction. Rotho Blaas timber construction represents a high-performance approach within modern construction technology, especially for engineered timber structures. It focuses on advanced fastening systems, airtight membranes, and precision connectors that enhance the strength and durability of wood-based buildings. Specs include high load capacity screws, corrosion-resistant coatings, and hybrid timber-concrete connection solutions designed for long-term stability. Key features such as improved energy efficiency, airtight detailing, and rapid installation systems make it highly practical for modern projects. In real-world use, it feels like a dependable, innovation-driven system that elevates timber construction to a more sustainable and engineered level. Schock Combar. Schock Combar is an advanced construction technology solution based on glass fiber reinforced polymer reinforcement used in concrete structures instead of traditional steel. Its key specs include high tensile strength, non-corrosive composition, and very low thermal conductivity, making it ideal for aggressive environments like bridges, tunnels, and marine works. Features such as electromagnetic neutrality, easy masonability, and long service life of over 100 years improve safety and durability. In real-world use, it feels like a forward-thinking material that reduces maintenance needs while delivering strong, reliable, and sustainable structural performance in demanding construction conditions. Polycare. Polycare is a forward-looking innovation in construction technology, best known for its modular, circular building system using polymer or geopolymer-based concrete blocks. Its key specs include high-strength interlocking units, dry stack assembly without mortar, and integrated insulation cores for improved thermal performance. The system is designed for fast on-site construction with minimal machinery, making it highly efficient and scalable. Features like disassembly, material reuse, and reduced CO2 emissions highlight its sustainability focus. In real-world use, it feels like a smart, eco-conscious approach that blends engineering precision with long-term environmental responsibility and construction flexibility. Dowel Cradle Load Transfer System. Dowel Cradle Load Transfer System is a highly engineered solution in modern construction technology, designed to improve load distribution across concrete slab joints. It consists of a prefabricated wire cradle that holds dowel bars in precise alignment, ensuring correct spacing and height during slab casting. Key specs include suitability for 125 to 250 mm slab depths, compatibility with round or plate dowels, and finishes in plain or galvanized steel. Its main features include fast one-person installation, reduced cracking risk, and controlled slab movement under thermal and shrinkage stresses. In real use, it feels like a precise, dependable system that enhances long-term pavement durability and structural performance. Readywall. Readywall is a modern innovation in construction technology, built as a permanent PVC formwork system that speeds up reinforced concrete wall construction. Its specs include interlocking lightweight panels in thicknesses like 110 to 300 millimeters, designed to snap or slide together for fast installation and precise alignment. Key features include high durability, water resistance, low maintenance semi-gloss surface, and the ability to reduce labor and construction time significantly. It also supports basements, retaining walls, and structural cores. In real-world use, it feels like a smart, efficient system that simplifies heavy construction while delivering strong, clean, and reliable wall performance. Jigglco. Jigglco is an engaging construction technology learning system designed as a modular building block set that helps users explore basic engineering and structural concepts through hands-on assembly. Its specs typically include durable interlocking plastic blocks, connector pins, wheels, and beam elements that allow the creation of multiple mechanical and structural models. Key features include snap fit assembly, reconfigurable designs, and compatibility across sets, encouraging creativity and problem solving. In practical use, it feels like a playful yet educational construction tool that builds imagination, logical thinking, and foundational engineering awareness in a very interactive and enjoyable way. Malaysia Interlocking Bricks. Malaysia Interlocking Bricks is a smart advancement in construction technology, using a mortarless, load-bearing block system designed for faster and cleaner building work. Its specs typically include high-strength compressed cement or earth blocks with precise shear key interlocking edges that ensure stable alignment without heavy reliance on mortar. Key features include rapid installation, reduced material wastage, better cost efficiency, and improved thermal comfort inside buildings. These bricks also support eco-friendly construction by using local materials and lowering carbon impact. In real use, it feels like a practical, efficient system that simplifies masonry while still delivering strong, durable, and modern structural performance. Steinfix Edge Profiles. Steinfix Edge Profiles are a smart and efficient construction technology solution designed for clean, concrete-free finishing of paving and stone installations. Made from recycled, impact-resistant rigid PVC, the system features perforated, flexible profiles that allow water and root penetration while securing slabs firmly in place. Key specs include modular lengths, nail or mesh fixation options, and high durability under outdoor conditions. Features like fast installation, immediate loadability, and low maintenance make it highly practical. In real-world use, it feels like a simple yet clever system that saves time, improves precision, and delivers neat, long-lasting landscape edging results. Peikko Group. Peikko Group is a leading global name in construction technology, specializing in advanced slim floor systems and structural connection solutions for concrete, precast, and hybrid construction. Its specs include high-performance steel components, bolted column connections, composite beams like Delta Beam, and engineered reinforcement systems designed for load efficiency and precision. Key features include faster installation, reduced structural depth, improved safety, and strong sustainability focus through material optimization and hybrid design integration. In real-world use, it feels like a highly engineered, dependable system that streamlines complex building processes while delivering strength, flexibility, and long-term construction efficiency. Stackton Stutmauer. Stackton Stutmauer is a smart construction technology system designed for fast and efficient retaining wall construction using a dry stack modular method. Instead of traditional mortar, the blocks interlock through a patented stacking and anchoring system, making installation simpler and cleaner. Specs typically include heavy-duty concrete units, drainage-friendly counterblocks filled with crushed stone, and integrated geotextile layers to manage soil pressure. Key features include rapid assembly, strong structural stability, and excellent water management behind the wall. In real-world use, It feels like a practical, DIY-friendly solution that still delivers professional-grade strength and long-term durability for landscape and civil projects. Flexamat Erosion Control. Flexamat Erosion Control is a robust construction technology designed for long-term soil stabilization in high-erosion environments like slopes, channels, and shorelines. It consists of interlocking concrete block mats embedded in a high-strength geogrid, typically with 6.5-inch by 6.5-inch blocks and flexible spacing that allows vegetation to grow through. Its specs include roll-based installation, strong hydraulic resistance, and optional vegetated underlayers for natural integration. Key features are permanent erosion protection, load-bearing capability for light vehicle traffic, and easy installation. In real-world use, it feels like a durable, intelligent system that blends hard armor strength with environmental sensitivity. Brikawood. Brikawood is a smart construction technology system built around interlocking wooden brick modules designed for fast, sustainable housing assembly. Its specs include eco-certified Douglas fir timber, precision-cut interlocking elements, and multi-layer wall systems filled with natural insulation like wood fiber. The system requires no nails, glue, or heavy machinery, allowing dry stack construction with high thermal efficiency and strong structural stability. Key features include rapid assembly, modular flexibility, excellent insulation performance, and full dismantleability for reuse. In real-world use, it feels like a thoughtful blend of traditional timber craftsmanship and modern modular engineering focused on sustainability and simplicity. Denver Spray Foam. Denver Spray Foam is a highly efficient construction technology used in modern insulation systems for residential and commercial buildings. Applied as a liquid polyurethane blend that expands into rigid foam, it seals every crack and cavity, creating a continuous air and moisture barrier. Its specs include high R value per inch, strong thermal resistance, and long-term durability without sagging or settling. Key features like energy savings, noise reduction, mold resistance, and improved indoor comfort make it highly effective. In real-world use, it feels like a smart, high-performance upgrade that noticeably improves building efficiency and comfort in demanding climates. Betonblock. Betonblock is a practical and highly adaptable solution in modern construction technology, based on interlocking concrete block systems used for retaining walls, storage barriers, and temporary structures. The system uses precision-cast heavy concrete blocks with male-female locking profiles that allow stable stacking without mortar. Specs typically include large-format modular units, high compressive strength concrete, and weights designed for gravity stability and structural safety. Key features include fast dry stack installation, reusability, and flexible reconfiguration for different site needs. In real-world use, it feels like a rugged, efficient building system that turns excess concrete into durable, scalable infrastructure with minimal complexity. Affold houses. Affold houses represent a fresh direction in construction technology, focusing on modular prefabricated wooden homes that can unfold and be assembled rapidly on site. Built with engineered timber panels, insulation layers, and precision factory detailing, they are designed for high energy efficiency and strong seismic resistance. Key specs include lightweight structural modules, dry assembly systems, and customizable layouts ranging from compact units to larger family homes. Features like fast installation, eco-friendly materials, and smart integration options make them highly versatile. In real-world use, it feels like a modern, flexible housing solution that blends innovation, comfort, and sustainability in a surprisingly practical way.